Good day, I am Ervin Diaz Bagas, a fourth-year BSIT student from Eastern Samar State University main campus in Borongan City, Eastern Samar. I am 24 years old and my friends call me Pabs, Master, or Irvin. I am passionate, dedicated, and composed type of person. My friends and family describe me as a goal-driven, family-oriented, and a persistent kind of person. I am into different sports and esports, but I take pride in playing table tennis, in which I achieved numerous awards during my elementary and college days. I also enjoy volunteer works and outreach programs. My hobbies and interests are playing sports, traveling, reading books, learning how to trade cryptocurrencies and stocks, relearning coding, and doing volunteer works. When the pandemic happened, my priorities changed from wanting the luxury of working and traveling the world at the same time to achieving my goals and dreams inland. I was a third year BSMT student, just waiting to finish my laboratory subjects and required trainings before I realized that my priorities changes. I no longer want to cross vast ocean or do risky jobs that are too risky for my parents to worry about. I want to be within my family while doing everything I can to reach my goals. The pandemic highlighted how much time you spend away from your family while achieving your goals. That is when I became an estudiante. I realized that there are many ways to achieve your goals and choose a way that does not keep me away from my family and miss important occasions. While I thrive and hustle my way to success, just like my subject navigation in marine transportation days, it is okay to alter your course or direction. You might be delayed, but still, you'll arrive at your desired destination. I was elected as the SK chairperson of our barangay, in which it is the largest barangay in our municipality. And at the same year, I was also elected as the SK Federation Vice President. But even before being a public official, I was already a public servant in my own ways. I participated and volunteered in numerous activities at the barangay and municipal level, from being a volunteer in the Parish Pastoral Council for Responsible Voters in the last 2022 national election, to a youth representative in our barangay in the Youth Disaster Risk Reduction training conducted by SICAT Oxfam, a non-government organization. I also take part in relief operations of Project Paglaom, a local NGO that conducts relief operations during calamities in our community. This highlights how well I go along with people and having community engagement at a very young age. Talking and working with different people with different stories and experiences also helped me become the person of who I am today. So why Sim? So first, handles popular clients. From Department of Budget and Management, Rappler, Electronic Freedom of Information Platform, and other government agencies, these are not only popular clients, but also reflects how quality of work the SIM delivers. Next is flexible setup. Offering work from home setup during internship favors my circumstance as a public official. I want to have a good internship program at this while not forgetting my responsibilities and obligations to my constituents. Next is having a clear career path. Interns are given choices about what track to take, which can help students identify what area or track they wish to enhance or to take. And lastly, chill working environment. Family and enjoyment know no distance. Despite the work from home setup, Simp always find ways to enjoy work with different methods. May it be in learning sessions, fun games, even the what's not to love about, you know that you can enjoy life while working. And that is it about my Picha Kucha video. The moment I saw your intern sculpture book, I knew that Simp can help prepare me and enhance my skills to be ready in the professional world. With Simp, I am confident that my potential and abilities will be shared and improved along the way. And I hope to be part of your journey, and I am looking forward to be part of your growing symphony. That is all. Thank you.